Let's make some chicken fettuccine Alfredo. This has tender pieces of chicken over some fettuccine noodles, and it is tossed in a creamy and luscious Alfredo sauce. Need I say more? This chicken Alfredo is so easy to make, super delicious, and you will be asking for seconds. I'm going to start by adding water to my pot, and I have my heat set at high. I'm going to add some salt. I'm adding in some olive oil. The olive oil is to keep the noodles from sticking. Once my water has come up to a boil, I'm going to add in 16-ounce bag of fettuccine pasta. Once the pasta starts cooking, it'll start shrinking down the pot. So you just want to keep pushing it down until all the pasta is covered in water. And I'm just going to cook this until al dente. It will take about 11 minutes. Here I have 3 pieces of chicken breast. I trimmed off the fat, which is that white stuff, and I also trimmed off some on top. That way it's not too thick and it does cook evenly and it cooks faster. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to season them. For the seasonings, I'm using 2 teaspoons of cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now I'm just adding the seasoning, and I'm just going to pat down on the chicken, just making sure that the seasonings stick. And I'm going to flip them over, and I'm going to season the other side. With my heat set at a medium setting, I'm going to add in some olive oil. Now I'm going to start adding my chicken. The chicken is going to take 6 to 8 minutes to cook per side. I'm going to remove them now that they are cooked. And with a sharp knife, I'm just going to be slicing them into pieces. Now I'm going to start making the Alfredo sauce. In my pan over medium heat, I'm adding in 1 stick of unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. And I'm going to just break up the cream cheese and mix it into the butter. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of chicken broth, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And whisking this all together. I'm going to continue to whisk this for 1 minute. And then I'm adding in some shredded Parmesan cheese. You can add as much or as little as you want. I'm going to continue to whisk this for 10 minutes. You want your sauce to thicken slightly. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add in some more Parmesan cheese. And I'm just going to whisk this until the cheese melts. And now goes in the pasta. Going to just mix this in together. Covering the pasta with the sauce. Now adding the chicken. Then I'm just going to get that all mixed in there. I'm going to top it with some more Parmesan cheese. Topping it off with a chicken breast right on top. And now this chicken fettuccine Alfredo is ready to serve. Serve it up with your favorite sides. Enjoy.